Okay, I'm here. I just want to show you how good it is to grow your own fish at home. And I'm going to attempt to catch one of these great big Murray cod we've got that are actually 3 years old now, and they're just ready for the barbecue. Okay, I want to just show you what they're like. If I can catch one, that is. They're pretty blinking slippery. No. Aha, got one. This is not one of the biggest ones, but look at that. If you'll just settle down for a minute, we'll give you a look at what a beautiful Australian Murray cod looks like. Have a look at that. Oh, don't flop around, please, my friend. Have a look at that. If we can get a close-up shot of him. I'm just trying to do two things at once here. Hold the net and hold the thing. Look at that. What a beautiful fish. Now I'm just trying to guess his weight. If you can just grab that net from me, or not too much, otherwise I'll lose him. I'll just get him on the bottom here. That'll do the job. Oh, he's not liking it too much. I'll give it another go here. The trouble is I don't have enough hands. That's my problem. Just try and get him so I can hold him up for the camera, and hopefully he doesn't do anything too crazy. He's just too strong. I'm afraid he's just too strong, this fish. But there, I have another look at him there. What a beautiful fish. I don't know if it's a him or a her. I'm just guessing weight, I reckon 2 kilos. What do you reckon, Jamie?
It'd have to be 2 kilos.
Have to be 2 kilos, wouldn't it? And that's not the biggest one. There's bigger ones than that in there. And I'll just try for one of the bigger ones if I can. There's one there. Oh, I nearly got him. Oh, see him go. Did you get that on camera?
We got that.
Here's another guy. I think this is the same one I caught a minute ago. I think it's the same one. Anyway, no, it's not. It's a different one. But there you go. There's another one. Have a look at that. What a beautiful face. Look at that. This is what you can do at home. You can grow these fish at home. Look at that. What a gorgeous thing that is. We'll just try for one more. We'll see if we can get one of these really big guys, because we've got some down here that are at least 3 kilos. That's about 7 pounds. No, they're just too fast for me. The trouble is, they just... Here's another one. He was very cooperative. I got 2. How about that? Hey, this is how you go fishing in an aqua. Look at the size of these jokers, would you? Here's one of the big guys. Have a look at this fella. I mean, goodness gracious me. What do you reckon about that, Jamie?
Right.
We'll have to stick one of these on the barbecue very soon, surely. Yeah. Have a look at that. See if we can get... Oh, settle down, please. We're not going to barbecue today. He must have heard me say barbecue, and he's not very impressed. I just don't know what I can do to try and get him. I don't want to stick my fingers in his mouth because he might bite my finger off. But just have a go at that, would you? Look at that. They're too strong. This guy, look at the size of him. He must be, I'm trying to guess his weight. He'd have to be 4 kilos, that guy. Have to be 8 or 10 pounder. Look at the size of him. Homegrown Murray cod. How about that? Okay, now we've got one more to go. We caught 2 that time. We don't want to stress them. Murray cod gets stressed out pretty easily, actually. So, I'm hoping we haven't done any damage to these guys, because we rarely ever do this, go into the tank to fish them out, because, we don't want to lose them through stress. Look at that Murray cod. What do you reckon about that? Okay, let him go.